Hi everyone, my name is Nan and I'm a Thai living in Manila. Today I want to teach you some Thai words that is useful for travel. So let's get started. Okay, so before I start with the words, I would like to teach you a Thai gesture. It's called Y. It's Y. So basically you're putting your two hands together like this and putting it near your chest and then bending your head. So we have 4 different types of Y. So the first one would be for people with the same age and your friends or people that are younger to you. So what you would do is put your thumbs together like this, put it near your chest, then bow your head a bit. Okay, so the second type would be to somebody who you would pay more respect to, example your boss or a stranger. So you would put your thumbs near your chin, then bow your head like this. The next one would be to the elderly. Since Thai people are really, it's really important to respect the elderly. So we put the thumb on our nose, then we bow like this. Then the last part would, the last Y is specifically for Thai people who are Buddhist and they would like to pay respects to the monks, Buddhist monks. So they put their thumbs in between their eyebrows like this. Alright, so now we know the basic gesture. So let's start with some Thai greetings. So the first Thai word I would like to show you is how we say hello. So hello in Thai is sawatdi. Sawatdi. Okay? So sawatdi means hello. It also means goodbye. We also have words that mean good morning, good afternoon, good night, but Thai people don't really use them. So you basically can use sawatdi for the whole day, all throughout the day. Hello and goodbye. Okay? So in Thai, it's a bit complicated because we have these 2 words which specify our gender. So these words are ka and krap. So if you're a woman, you would use the word ka. If you're a man, you would use the word krap. So in this case, I would like to say hello. So since I'm a girl, I would say sawatdi ka. And if you're a man, you would reply sawatdi krap. So ka and krap. We add this to the end of sentences and words all the time. So this is a very normal thing. You would hear it. Sometimes we use the word ka and krap just as a reply to yes. Example, do you understand? And then a Thai person would just say ka, krap. Okay? So if ever you're a man and you would like to use the word ka, it's fine because in Thailand everybody understands. So you can always use ka. It's fine. Okay, so the next word I would like to teach you is how to say thank you. So thank you in Thai is khop kun. Khop kun. So if you're a girl, you say khop kun ka. If you're a guy, you would say khop kun krap. Khop kun krap. Okay. Next word is how to say sorry. So sorry in Thai is kho thot. Kho thot. So if you're a girl, it's kho thot ka. For a man, kho thot krap. So the word sorry in Thai is used for giving an apology and also as an excuse me. So example, if you're in the SkyTrain and you're trying to get out, you could say instead of excuse me, we use the word khor thot. Khor thot ka, khor thot ka. I'm passing through. Okay? So for the next word that is useful in travel would be how to ask where the bathroom is or where the restroom is. So restroom in Thai is hong nam. Hong nam. Hong means room. Nam means water. So basically hong nam is water room. Okay? So how do you ask where is the water room? Yeah? So it's hong nam yu nai. So for a girl, it's hong nam yu nai ka. And for men, hong nam yu nai krap. Okay? So the next word that is useful for travel is asking the price. Right? So in Thailand, we say thao rai. Thao rai means how much. So for a girl, you just simply say thao rai ka. For a guy, you would say thao rai krap. Then the merchant or the salesperson would reply the price. And the price would be in Thai. So I will make another video on Thai numbers so you would at least know the basics and of the price. So example, I asked the lady, เท่าไหร่คะ? Then she replies, 30 baht ค่ะ. So I asked her how much and she replied, it's 30 baht. So the last word I would like to share with you today is a special word since Thailand is really known for our famous and delicious cuisine. So delicious in Thai is อร่อย อร่อย and if you want to emphasize it, you can add the word มาก มาก means very much. So อร่อย มาก means very delicious. And since Thai people really love to emphasize even more, you can say อร่อย มากมาก. So as a girl, อร่อย มากมากค่ะ or อร่อย มากมากครับ. So that's the end of my video. I hope this would be beneficial to your travel in Thailand after the pandemic and our situation. Please like and subscribe. Please feel free to follow my Instagram down here. And thank you all very much. So ขอบคุณค่ะ สวัสดีค่ะ บ๊ายบาย